How does one help a fig understand the concept of decency? Decency is a complex idea often associated with human behavior and societal norms. But what if we extended this concept to other living beings, like fig trees? While it might sound peculiar, examining how decency can be understood through the natural behaviors of fig trees brings a unique perspective to this age-old moral debate. Why is this important? Because it helps us recognize the interconnectedness of all life forms and reflects on our own responsibilities within ecosystems. Understanding the nature of figs. Biology of fig trees. Fig trees are fascinating beings with intricate structures and growth patterns. From their thick, gnarled trunks to their broad, shade-offering leaves, fig trees are botanically unique. They grow through various stages, beginning as seedlings, sprouting into saplings, and eventually maturing into towering giants. The reproductive process of fig trees is particularly unique. They rely on specialized pollinators, often tiny wasps, which enter the figs to lay their eggs, simultaneously pollinating the flowers inside. Ecological role. Figs hold a pivotal role in many ecosystems. They engage in symbiotic relationships with numerous species. For instance, without the specific fig wasps, fig trees wouldn't be able to reproduce. This mutualism is not limited to insects. Birds, bats, and other animals also rely on figs for food, dispersing their seeds in return. These relationships showcase a balance, a form of ecological decency, where each organism supports the other. The concept of decency. Moral philosophy of decency. In human terms, decency often refers to adhering to standards of morality, kindness, and respect in behavior and actions. It's about being considerate of others, maintaining dignity, and ensuring fairness. These values form the bedrock of societal norms and laws, guiding us in how we interact with one another and with our environment. Decency in nature. Decency isn't just a human construct, it's evident in the natural world too. Many species exhibit behaviors that can be seen as decent. For example, pack animals like wolves demonstrate loyalty and care for their injured members. Birds of different species sometimes work together to fend off predators, showcasing mutualism and cooperation. These examples highlight how decency can be a universal principle guiding harmonious coexistence. Translating decency to figs. Using metaphors. To convey the concept of decency to a fig, we can use metaphors grounded in the tree's natural interactions. Imagine explaining decency as the mutual support seen between fig trees and wasps. Just as these wasps carry out pollination, ensuring the tree's future, humans should help each other thrive. This reciprocal relationship can serve as a metaphor for decency, illustrating how kindness and cooperation lead to mutual benefits. Practical examples. Real-life examples reinforce these metaphors. In some tropical forests, fig trees serve as keystone species. Their fruits are critical during seasons of scarcity, feeding various animals. In return, these animals disperse fig seeds, aiding in the propagation of the fig tree. By providing essential resources during tough times and ensuring future growth through seed dispersal, this natural cycle embodies decency. It's about giving without expecting immediate returns, understanding that everyone has a role in the ecosystem's health. Conclusion. Understanding and reflecting on the concept of decency through the lens of fig trees offers a profound lesson. All living beings are intertwined in complex, yet beautiful relationships of reliance and support. These natural bonds remind us of our duty to act with decency toward each other and our planet. By observing and learning from nature, we can foster a more considerate, compassionate world. So next time you see a fig tree, think about how its silent lessons of decency might apply to your actions and interactions.